All right, people, big up on yourself. Back again. We are back again. Now, I want to have a discussion surrounding Dujan Richard, Whisper, and Kaheim Dixon, Papi. And I've said it time and time again. These two players are the players that we should protect for the future. I mean, know say a lot of persons might not agree with that, but you know what I say go. Anyways, this video is brought to you by Ray and Nephew White Overproof Rum, the Spirit of Football, and the official partners of the Reggae Boyz. You don't know anything already, people. So big up on yourself every time, all the time. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. We know anything go already. You are going to know people. You are going to know people. See this thing here? Tomorrow is a big match. But I'm going to separate a little time. I'm going to put a little time, a little piece aside to talk about Dujan Richards and Kaheim Dixon. Now, these two players are from, I did a video in regards to these two players already, speaking about the importance of these two players. And I said, any squad that is selected, any Reggae Boy squad that is selected, any, must include these two players. Going forward from here. And even so, now, I understand that a lot of persons don't really trust these players. They don't have faith in these players. And I can clearly recall when both of these players were playing schoolboy football, and I was speaking about them, speaking about the talent that we have and the talent that we're seeing. Many persons said MG Sports just love hype up local ballers and schoolboy footballers. And all these negative comments. I mean, I look aside and say, you know what? That comes with the realms or whatever I have to do with regards to football in Jamaica or my coverage of football. I will get scrutinized for many of my opinions. And that's just natural. That's how the game is built. That's a part of the game. Nevertheless, I still trod on with my beliefs and what I think. Now, I'm not saying that these two players are Lionel Messi and Ronaldinho. I'm not saying that. What I'm saying is that I believe that these two players are two of the future of Jamaican football. I strongly believe that. And that's one of the reasons why, even tomorrow, I would love to see, or in that game, I would love to see one either side. Either Dujan Richard start on the right, or kind of start the attacking midfield position. No, many people are going to say, boy, can't just come and we can't just show him that squad. So, we have a problem. Anytime we see a youngster in the world football, like any other country, we rave about them and say, yeah, look on the talent and this, that. We always rave about other young talents in other countries. But we do have our very own young talents. We pay scant regards to our young talent, to our players. And we would have gone as far as to disrespect them, say them no good, say them not ready, all these type of things. But yes, when we look at the other young talents from other countries, we hype them up. We create so much excitement around these players. But you know what these countries would do different from what we Jamaicans do? These countries build up their stars, give them the confidence, let them know that yes, you can achieve it. Yes, the world is at your feet. Go and take it by a storm. And rather than we doing that, we more so say, you're not ready yet. You're overhyped. You're not reached the level yet. And when you realize many of these countries who nurture their talent, their superstars, their young superstars, their superstars have gone on to be better talent. Now, I believe that there will be pushbacks coming. People are coming in the comment section right now, can talk and say foolishness may talk. Let me give you a perfect example. Dujan Richards. When Dujan Richards was at Chelsea, before he went off to do the surgery, Tariq George was on the bench. Dujan Richards was playing week in, week out, and Tariq George was on the bench. Right at this present moment, Tariq George is in Chelsea's first team. So, if he was not that good, if Dujan Richards was not that good, Tariq George would not be on the bench. And now Tariq George will progress because of the continuous football that he's playing. He would have progressed. And unfortunately, the injury that took Dujan Richards, maybe sometimes these things happen for different circumstances in life, but it showcased that the talent was already there. Now, let's see what's going to happen from here on. Same said, let me give you another idea. Kaheim Dixon, when he went to Charlton, many people said, hey, they don't like that move there. You should have gone to a Premier League club. And understanding that football experience, game time is very, very crucial. Then now, when he made the move to League One, my apologies, to League Two, to Crawley, it's like people have said, see that, he's not ready. Can't step up. But I find it very, very interesting that in the same league, some of these same lower level leagues, we would see young talents, other Reggae Boyz supporters would see young talents and said they are the best thing since sliced bread. But yet still, because these players are our own, we just have this innate nature of just disliking our own. I don't know what the reason is. But from my perspective, these two players must be a part of the Reggae Boyz squad, a part of the World Cup squad. And I'm going to be very bar injuries. Bar injuries and probably disciplinary action, disciplinary matters. But other than that, once they're performing, once they're playing, they are the future of this team. And I strongly believe that in 2030, the Reggae Boyz team will be carrying these two players back. Now, this could be just whoops. This could be just me talking. Don't know me as a talk already. But generally, just safely say, just say. Just say, it could be reality. Just could be. But I believe that we have to give our youngsters the confidence to play, the confidence to carry on, the confidence to believe in themselves, the confidence, rather than us consistently tear them down and tell them they're not good enough. They all them the little derogatory things I will tell the youngsters them to mentally break them and mentally drain them. Whilst other countries, their youngsters, they are protecting them. Yes, everyone have a nature of overhyping their youngsters, but what they do, they protect their youngsters. We don't do the same. And that's one of the reasons why a lot of our youngsters tend to fail. And I understand and I agree that some of them aren't ready as yet to make the big step. But I believe in these two players. I strongly believe in these two players. Many people are going to say, but MJ never this, I never did that. One thing for sure, anybody who watch my channel long enough would have known that I've been speaking about these two players from them play schoolboy football, speaking about the talent, and I've gotten lots of backlashing about speaking in regards to speaking about these two players time and time again. Anyways, tell me what you think in the comment section. Big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. This video is brought to you by Ray and Nephew White Overproof Rum, the spirit of football, and official sponsors and partners of the Reggae Boyz. Big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys again. MG Sports TV, out. God bless. Boom. Outside.